What you're about to see will redefine everything you know about shelter. Deep in the heart of the wild, a hidden world is about to be unveiled. Built not with modern tools, but with ancient, forgotten knowledge. This is a journey of astonishing transformation. Stay with us to witness the creation of a masterpiece, born from the earth itself. The first step is always the most crucial. The forest provides the raw materials for a vision yet to take shape. With patient hands, each piece of timber is carefully measured and cut. Strength and precision are required to lay the foundation. Slowly, a skeleton of wood begins to rise from the forest floor. Every joint is secured with natural cordage, a testament to pure ingenuity. The framework stands as a promise of the shelter to come. Now, the forest offers up its leaves to create a protective canopy. Each one is carefully selected and prepared. Layer by layer, the roof is woven into existence. A moment of rest, surveying the progress made. But the work is far from over. New elements are conceived. Using a primitive hand drill, he bores into the heartwood. The structure is reinforced, strengthened against the elements. Finally, the first dwelling is complete. A simple, yet profound accomplishment in the heart of the jungle. Tired but satisfied, he reflects on what he has created. Now, his ambition climbs higher, towards the canopy of the trees. He begins a new project, a sanctuary in the sky. The joinery requires immense focus and traditional techniques. Carefully, he navigates the growing structure. Every piece must be perfectly fitted. The quiet stillness of the forest is his only companion. A brief pause to hydrate before the next phase begins. He ventures back into the undergrowth to gather more materials. This time, he seeks the pliable vines that will become the floor. The sheer volume of vines needed is staggering. He carries the heavy bundle back to the construction site. The foundation for the floor is now ready for weaving. An intricate process begins, weaving the vines into a sturdy mat. The pattern is both beautiful and functional. He tests the strength of his handiwork. Each knot is tightened, ensuring the structure's integrity. He meticulously inspects every detail. The treehouse is nearing completion, a fusion of wood and vine. A final check of the entire structure. Standing proudly on his creation, he is at home among the trees. The view from above, a reward for his tireless effort. But the desire to create does not rest. A new vision takes hold. A lattice floor is woven with remarkable skill. The finished platform sits suspended between ancient trees. A second layer is added, creating a solid and reliable floor. Now, he whittles and shapes the wooden bones of the frame. Each shaving reveals the form hidden within the wood. The vertical supports are lashed together with natural rope. The walls begin to climb towards the sky. Methodically, he strengthens the framework. The emerging structure has an organic, almost living quality. A wooden mallet is used to secure the main beams. The complex art of lashing continues to be the primary building technique. He moves with a confidence born of practice. Now, he turns his attention to the roof, creating a graceful arch. The dome begins to take shape, piece by piece. It is a marvel of natural geometry. The final pieces of the roof's framework are put into place. The completed wooden structure stands ready. A beautiful and tranquil home, perfectly integrated with nature. The next phase requires a different approach. A unique, circular roof frame is constructed. Flexible branches are woven into the frame to create the walls. The detail reveals the intricacy of the weave. From inside, the light filters through the woven walls. The structure is now a cozy, enclosed space. A circular opening is left for a window. He continues the patient work of weaving. The roof is thatched with a thick layer of branches. Next, he prepares a mixture of mud and natural fibers. This earth and plaster will weatherproof the structure. The thick mud covers the roof, creating a living shell. The finished hut is a testament to sustainable building. Now, attention turns to the interior details. A sturdy railing is added for safety. The doorway is framed and finished. A final inspection ensures everything is secure. He stands in his completed home, a master of his domain. The view is serene, a world away from civilization. A smile of profound satisfaction and peace. Now that there is shelter, there must be fire. He selects the right wood to build a small stove. The tools he uses are simple, but effective. He carefully shapes each component. Mortise and tenon joints are carved by hand. The frame for the stove begins to take shape. Each piece is carefully fitted together. The wooden frame is then insulated with clay. This will protect the wood and retain heat. He prepares to bring his new home to life. The treehouse is stocked with firewood. The first fire is lit in the new clay stove. With his dwelling complete, he settles in. The nearby stream provides fresh, clean water. He prepares for a meal, using the resources around him. The forest provides the fuel for his fire. Smoke rises from the chimney, a sign of life and warmth. Over the hot coals, a chicken is roasted to perfection. This is the reward for his hard work and ingenuity. A moment of simple, profound contentment. The work, however, is never truly done. The earthen roof needs a layer of living turf. He carefully digs up sections of grass and soil. The effort is physically demanding. Each section of turf is a heavy, living brick. These are carefully laid onto the roof of the hut. This will provide insulation and camouflage. He meticulously covers the entire surface. The process is slow and requires patience. Soon, the structure will blend seamlessly into the forest. He prepares more clay to finish the walls. The plaster is applied by hand, filling every gap. This is an ancient and effective building method. The walls are now solid and weatherproof. A final smoothing ensures a durable finish. Next, he turns his attention to bamboo. He smooths the edges with a simple stone tool. He is now preparing for a different kind of task. From the bamboo, he begins to weave something intricate. A structure takes shape under his skilled fingers. This is not a home, but a tool for survival. He weaves a funnel-shaped trap, a design perfected over centuries. He continues his work, preparing multiple traps. Satisfied with his craftsmanship, he gathers his work. Another design is crafted, this one more complex. This trap is designed for a different kind of prey. The interlocking pieces create an ingenious device. With his traps complete, he is ready. He carries the fish traps to the nearby stream. The location must be chosen carefully for the best chance of success. He submerges the first trap in a narrow channel. The second trap is placed nearby. Now, all he can do is wait. The star-shaped trap has a different purpose. He carries it towards one of his tree structures. It will be placed high above the ground. This trap is designed for birds or small climbing animals. With the trap set, he can turn to other projects. His journey into the deep forest continues. The stream flows on, holding the promise of a future meal. The need for shelter is constant, so a new structure begins. Bamboo is gathered and cut to size. This will be a raised platform, a house on stilts. The bamboo floor is meticulously assembled. The build takes place beneath an existing shelter. He works high off the ground, balanced and focused. The bamboo slats are lashed tightly to the frame. The floor is now complete and sturdy. He trims the excess material with his knife. The finished platform is a testament to his skill with bamboo. Next, a wooden frame is erected on the platform. This will form the walls and roof of the new shelter. Bamboo is once again used to fill in the frame. The process is repetitive but requires great care. The structure is now fully enclosed. The completed treehouse is both functional and elegant. A ladder provides access to his elevated home. Inside, he can look out upon his forest domain. Now, he forages for food in the surrounding wilderness. He checks the traps he set in the stream. Success! The trap is teeming with eels. He prepares the bamboo he will use to cook his catch. He walks to the stream to clean the eels. The bounty of the river is prepared on a leaf plate. After preparing the food, he takes a moment to bathe. The cool water is refreshing after a day of hard work. In this world he has built, he lives in harmony with nature. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel Bushcraft Ideas for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.